In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an admin member from a ClickUp workspace. This is really helpful if someone has left your team, changed roles, or simply no longer needs access to your workspace. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own ClickUp account. First, make sure you're logged into ClickUp and looking at any of your spaces or tasks. A common place to start is the list view, which most people use for their daily work. It doesn't really matter which list you're on, as long as you're inside the correct workspace where you want to manage members. Once you're in your workspace, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing your avatar or initials. Go ahead and click on your profile. This is where ClickUp keeps a lot of your account and workspace controls. When you click your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options related to your account, notifications, and workspace settings. Take a moment to look it over so you're familiar with where things are. From that drop-down, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open your main settings area in ClickUp. Depending on your role and permissions, you may see different sections here, but we're interested in the workspace level settings. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. Look for the section called People. This is where ClickUp lists all the users, guests, and admins who are part of your workspace. Click on People to open up the full list of members. Now you should see a table or list of everyone who currently has access to this workspace. Find the admin member you'd like to remove. Take your time to make sure you select the correct person, since removing someone will cut off their access to the workspace. Next to that member's name, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, usually on the far right side of their row. Click on these 3 dots to open a small action menu for that specific user. In the menu that appears, click on the option labeled Remove. ClickUp may ask you to confirm this action, especially for admin members. Confirm the removal if prompted, and that admin will be